We are going to make this. Welcome to our another video. You are watching Adobic. Document color mode, RGB color. I am choosing Essential Classic Workspace. Artboard size 2000 by 2000 pixel. Take Ellipse tool and make a circle. Now take Direct Selection tool and delete mid-node. Now select upper and bottom node and join them. Shift bottom part little bit. I am making balloon bottom part. Go to Pathfinder and unite this. Now choose Revolve Classic option. You can choose these settings according to your choice. Our simple balloon is ready now. Now I will apply Shapes pattern on this. Make any shape according to your choice. I will suggest you to choose white color for this. If you take white color, then you can change balloon color anytime. I will transparent this to give realistic effect. Now open Symbols tab and drag shapes to this. And write a name and choose Graphic and hit OK. Take a copy of this and go to Appearance. 3D Revolve, then Map Art. Go to Third Surface and apply Saved Symbol on this. Your textured balloon is ready now. You can change this color anytime. Take Color Picker tool and apply any color on this. We can change symbol by simple rotation effect. I am making with same technique, but watch video till the end. I will tell you how to change symbol color and how you can make contrast colors balloons. Now I will tell you how you can make two different colors balloon, and how you can change already made symbols. Now I will tell you to change already created symbols. Go to Symbols tab and double-click on Symbol to edit this. Now you can change transparency of this. Click on Map Art once to apply changes. You can change colors of symbol too, and you can also make this symbols colorful according to your choice. Now make thread for this. Take Pencil tool, double-click on Pencil tool, and take Smoothness 100%. Take black color in stroke. Now draw thread according to your choice. Now this balloon is ready. You can make many more designs and colors balloons. Please make design and tag us on Instagram at adobic.official.